Hello friends, today we are going to see a program of strings where we are doing this thing, okay, that we are doing any word, the first character of a word is being capitalized, okay, as user enters this, okay, search coding in Ranchi, and what you do is, what the program does is, you take all the words and the first character of every word is being capitalized by the program. Okay, so see, I was here in small letters and I did it in capital. R was in small and I did it in capital by this program. So what this program is doing, first of all, we are using util package, and we are using the scanner class of util package. These two things are used just because we have to take an entry from the user at the runtime, and the runtime entry which we are taking is a string. So we are like displaying the thing that enter line so that the user can enter the line, and we are storing that line which the user enters in this string variable s. So whatever line, whatever input the user gives is stored in this s, and Ramu is our object. Usually people keep object sc, but we are taking Ramu as object because in my previous videos I have explained you that the object is actually like a messenger. So Ramu is more a name which suits to a messenger than SC. So I am used to using Ramu. So Ramu is our object, and next line is a function which takes input at the runtime from the user, and this is a functionality provided by the scanner class of util package. Okay, util package, which is this package here, Java package. Now what I am doing is that S1 I have stored blank. Okay, S1 is blank. This is the S1 in which I will store the output. This output which I will create, I will store that output in S1. And I have kept S1 as blank, as presently I have not applied the programming logic. Character ch is equal to, like, initialize. I have initialized it with a blank space, like space, because in case of integer, we initialize the integer with 0, and the character we initialize it with spacebar. Now we are running a for loop. Now this is the logic of our program. Okay, for loop, inside this is the main logic of the program, that we are taking character, we are extracting character one by one, one by one, one by one. Okay, first S will come, then E will come, then A, and till one by one it will come and it will go till I. So from the character index number 0 to character number s dot length minus 1. Okay, so this is written I is less than s dot length, and then we have done I plus plus, so that one by one it will come. Ch is equal to s dot caret I, the character which we will extract. Okay, we are storing it in ch, no problem. Like, first ch will be, when I will be 0, then in ch we will have s. When I will be 1, then in ch we will have e. Then when I will be 2, then we will have a. Similarly it will go on, and this for loop is going on till this point. Now we are storing ch in ch we are storing the character. Now if I equal to 0, one thing is very clear, that the first character which will be there, we have to capitalize it. Okay, we will have to capitalize it, the first characters, this one s. So I am doing what? If I equal to 0, then I have to capitalize. This thing is final. Otherwise, when I have to capitalize, if I get a space bar, okay, I have to capitalize something if just before it there is a space bar. Like, I have to capitalize the C because there is a space bar before it, although it is capitalized beforehand. Okay. Now this I in this word, the first character is I. I have to capitalize this I because just before this I there is a space bar. So what logic I am using, that if character s dot caret I minus 1, not this one, but the s, not the character at I, but if the character at I minus 1, just one position before, there is a space bar, then I will capitalize. I will do character dot to uppercase. Now one thing you have to keep in mind, that if I didn't write here I equal to 0, then this thing character dot I minus 1 will give an error, because when I will be 0, then I minus 1 will be minus 1, and at minus 1 there is no character. Okay, so program will give an error. So here I had to write I equal to 0, and if not, I would have to start the integer I equal to this initial from I equal to 1, because if you are using something like this, then you can't afford I 0, because at 0 this will become s dot caret minus 1, and the thing is that caret starts from 0 because the positions are from 0, right? So from minus 1 it can't happen. So I have written I equal to 0, or so when I equal to 0, this will be true. There's no need for the program to go and check into this case. It will directly go into this. Okay, so you understand that why I'm using this if I equal to 0, and or if s dot caret I minus 1 equal to spacebar, because I want to capitalize the first one and all those characters before which there is a spacebar. Else I have to do nothing. Else I have to do s1 is equal to s1 plus ch. So this was my program, and let me show you the output. I'll just copy it, I'll compile this one, and I will run this one, and you will see the output. So enter line, as we had decided, we have, okay, you can see capitalized. The first character is capitalized. R was here, R is capital here, I was small here, I is capital here, S was small here, S is capital here. C was already capital, so it is capital even now. So hope you understood this. And this was the second video which I made in English. As such, I like making videos in Hindi because I'm more comfortable, and I like doing that because Hindi is my mother tongue and I love Hindi more than I love English. I have learned English because I was in an ICSE school, and people give more importance to English nowadays, and I don't feel that the importance which is given to English should be given to English, but whatever it be, whatever you feel, but don't feel like that you have to take a class where the lectures are being delivered in English. Don't feel any connection with it. I recommend that because it's better to learn in your native language, and as such, it's your wish.